Guys, Andrew Cruzy here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to move any recorded videos into your Airtable with either the transcriptions or the AI summaries, so you can have them under your sales calls. You can create AI content out of them, absolutely everything, and I'm going to show you how to do that in under 10 minutes. This is one of the most powerful automations we have inside of Airtable, because it links up to all of our sales calls, all of our one-on-one client calls, and we get an amazing overview of exactly what was discussed. So this one was a sales call here that enrolled, and then inside of here we can see it under the sales card right here. So the whole sales team has the notes. Even if you don't have a sales team, you can go back to this and do re-engagements or outreaches to your to the sales calls you need to follow up with, all of that good stuff, and make it ultra specific, especially with AI nowadays. So pretty cool stuff, and I'm going to show you how to build that in under 10 minutes. So let's get rocking. First thing that you want to do is you want to have an Airtable set up like this. And this can be in an Airtable that you already have. And then you can link up, boom, any of these AI summaries or anything to it into other tables like this. So we connect it to our partner calls, our sales calls, our client calls, our team calls, all of that stuff. And then you can have the AI summaries or the transcripts go wherever you want to go. If we have enough time, I'll show you how to create the AI content creator that takes the transcript from a group call or from a YouTube video and will automatically create the content for you for the rest of the week. It's pretty cool. But without further ado, let's get into it. So you want to have this board. You can call it AI summaries, whatever you want. The title, a URL link for the call, an AI summary or transcription, a duration field, and then a call type, either coaching, sales call, team, that's good. And then a date created, which is an automation here. So time created, boom, and just leave the date in there. So pause the video here, set that up right now, and then we're going to go into the Zapier automation. You can use Zapier, you can use Make, you can use N8N. I'm going to show you the Zapier automation here. So we're going to go into Zapier, we're going to hit Create, Zaps, and we want to pull from whatever platform you're pulling from. So this can be Zoom, this can be any type of recording software. For us, we're using Fathom. So that's our core AI software for all of our recorded calls. It's awesome. If you're not using it, definitely test it out. What I'm going to take from here is new AI summary, because just in this one, I want to grab the AI summary from it. So I'm going to click on that. I'm going to link it up right here to the right account. I'm going to hit continue. And then I'm going to hit trigger on my meetings and continue. And now it's testing, and we should be all good to go there. Sweet. What I'm going to do next is retitle this to AI Summaries. And I hope I put this under my workspace. We will see. Let's go in here. The next step, you want to go into the action to Airtable. Boom. And then choose event, create or update record is perfect. I'm going to select the Airtable that's going to the workspace. And then I'm going to, whoa, where'd we go? Okay, we're good. Then we're going to go into base, grab the base that you're looking for. So this is only connected to this base. So let me do this. This is pretty cool. This is actually really helpful. I'm going to go in here. I'm going to go in here. I'm going to go into data. I'm going to create a new base, update those, boom, 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 boom. And I'm going to create from scratch and call this AI Summaries, boom. And I'll put this template, state of the end, I'll put this template down below for you. And then you can just copy and paste it into here really easily. So I'm going to take all these bad boys out. And then we will have board here. That's how I usually start my tables. There we go. And then you in Airtable, let me refresh that. You can just copy and paste it in from another Airtable. So here we go. Boom. It will show up at the top perfectly. There we go. So we got that in there. And then we got AI summaries at the top. So there we go. And shows the table. Let's link this up. Let's see if it grabbed it right away. Summaries. So we probably need to refresh it here. Boom. And let's go out of this. Just recreate it. Boom. Delete really. Boom. Let's go back into Airtable so you can see it again. Boom. Create our update record. Select the account. Choose next. And then go into the base you're looking for, and now it should have it. AI summaries. There we go. And look up primary field. Let's go with name. Perfect. And here's where we want to link it up. So we want to grab the meeting title. Boom. We want to grab the URL, recording URL. And then we want to grab the AI summary. Now this is really important. We want to grab the plain text formatted summary. So that will format it in the right way. You want to ignore the other ones. And then we want to add in duration. Boom. And meeting duration in minutes. Meeting duration in minutes. Yep. And then we're good to go. So continue. This is formatted perfectly. Boom. And we're going to hit publish. Publish. Sweet. So now you have it linked up. Let's just give it a nice name. AI summary. Perfect. And then let's see if it dropped one in there. Boom. Perfect. So we can see that this was dropped in here. We want to make sure that this is created time. Boom. There we go. Now we got the name in there. Boom. All the notes from that. Maybe we needed to shift the plain text and everything. Let me double check that. Boom, boom, boom. So here, plain text formatted. You can add in anything you want here. So let's go back in here. Boom, text. Boom. Summary. Let's try that. See that one. Cool. Let's continue. Publish. Boom. New. There we go. And we should be good to go on that one. So, boom, there you go. That's how you can link up any type of video recording softwares, summaries, and all of that stuff into your Airtable. And then we could link it up here. Sales, let's go. Sales call, boom. Sales calls, sweet. And then let's say it's linked to a specific sales call with Ken, boom, sales call. And then that will show up under his sales call card. So pretty cool stuff. That is how you link everything up. I hope that was helpful. If this helped you with something, hit that like button, leave a comment, really helps the channel, and I'll talk to you guys soon.